എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഡിപ്പാർട്സൺ എന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് ടെസ്റ്റിന്റെ ഭാഗമായുള്ള KER ജൂലൈ 2019 വർഷത്തെ ചോദ്യപേപ്പറിലെ ചോദ്യങ്ങളും ഉത്തരങ്ങളും അടങ്ങിയ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റിന്റെ മൂന്നാം ഭാഗമാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇതിന്റെ 1-2 ഭാഗങ്ങൾ കാണാത്തവർക്ക് അതിന്റെ ലിങ്ക് താഴെ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആകെ 25 ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ, 10 സെക്കൻഡ് സമയം. 10 സെക്കൻഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ശരിയുത്തരം സ്ക്രീനിൽ തെളിയുന്നതാണ്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എത്ര മാർക്ക് കിട്ടിയെന്നത് സ്വയം വിലയിരുത്തുക. നമുക്ക് നേരിട്ട് മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. An aided lower primary school teacher who has a wife leaving wishes to marry another woman too. The authority from which its permission is required. Manager, Assistant Educational Officer, Government, Director of Public Instruction. Right answer is Government. The authority to conduct annual inspection in an aided high school. Manager, District Educational Officer, Assistant Educational Officer, Deputy Director. Right answer is District Educational Officer. Teachers Bank means dash. List of retrenched teachers not eligible for protection. List of retrenched teachers eligible for protection. List of retrenched teachers having claim under Rule 51A. List of retrenched teachers eligible for promotion under Rule 43. Right answer is list of retrenched teachers eligible for protection. The headmaster of a LP school having standard 1 to 5 shall be exempted from class charge if the strength of people exceeds dash 125, 175, 150, 200. Right answer is 150. A long existing UP school having standards 1 to 7 was upgraded as high school after 22nd May 1979. Which among the following of LP and UP sections is earmarked for providing protected teachers? First of every 2 additional posts, all additional UPST posts, all leave vacancies, all additional LPST posts. Right answer is first of every 2 additional posts. Whose permission is required for appointing protected teachers from the Teachers Bank? District Educational Officer, Director of Public Instruction, Deputy Director, Manager. Right answer is Deputy Director. Notice for annual inspection of a school shall be given to the headmaster before dash days of inspection. 15 days, 7 days, 30 days, 20 days. Right answer is 7 days. The minimum number of people required to study Sanskrit to introduce it in Standard 5. 10, 15, 28, 12. Right answer is 12. Duties of headmaster are included in Rule Dash under Chapter 9. Rule 11, Rule 15, Rule 9, Rule 7. Right answer is Rule 11. The minimum number of periods required per week to sanction a part-time lower grade Arabic teacher post in a lower primary school is dash 5 periods, 4 periods, 10 periods, 15 periods. Right answer is 4 periods. The minimum number of periods required per week to sanction a full-time post of lower grade Sanskrit teacher post in an upper primary school is dash. 12 periods, 10 periods, 15 periods, 25 periods. Right answer is 15 periods. In an upper primary school having standard 5 to 7, 36 periods are available for Sanskrit. If so, the number of full-time LG Sanskrit teacher posts admissible is dash. 2 posts, 3 posts, 1 post, 4 posts. Right answer is 2 posts. The minimum effective strength of people required to get a special teacher post in the upper primary section is dash. 300, 500, 600, 400. Right answer is 500. The minimum number of girl pupils required to sanction a sewing teacher post in the UP section having the total effective strength of 650 people is dash. 500, 300, 250, 200. Right answer is 200. 54 periods are available per week for Malayalam in a high school with standards 8 to 10. If so, the number of full-time posts of HST Malayalam admissible is dash. 1 post, 2 posts, 3 posts, 4 posts. Right answer is 2 posts. The authority to fix the staff strength of a government high school is dash. Headmaster, Deputy Director, District Educational Officer, Assistant Educational Officer. Right answer is District Educational Officer. The orders of staff fixation shall take effect on the dash every year. 1st June, 6th June, 15th July, 1st July. Right answer is 15th July. The authorized officer to scrutinize the staff fixation orders passed by the district education officer is dash. Director of Public Instruction, Deputy Director, Additional Director of Public Instruction, Joint Director of Public Instruction. Right answer is Deputy Director. Revision orders on the scrutiny of staff fixation shall be passed before the end of dash every year. August, July, June, September. Right answer is September. Appellate authority against the staff fixation orders passed by the district educational officer is dash. Government, Director of Public Instruction, Additional Director of Public Instruction, Deputy Director. Right answer is Deputy Director. To whom the revision petition can be filed against the orders passed on staff fixation by the Deputy Director. Additional Director of Public Instruction, General, Government, Director of Public Instruction, Additional Director of Public Instruction, Academic. Right answer is Director of Public Instruction. Which rule of Chapter 23 empower Government to revise the orders passed by the Director of Public Instruction on staff fixation? Rule 16, Rule 12E, Rule 12D, Rule 15. Right answer is Rule 12E. Post of non-teaching staff admissible to an upper primary school having effective strength of 550 pupils. 1 peon and 1 FTM, 1 FTM, 1 clerk. Right answer is 1 peon. The minimum number of people required for sanctioning 3 posts of FTM in a high school is dash. 700 and above, 1000 and above, 1200 and above, 1500 and above. Right answer is 1500 and above. The lower age limit for appointment as a member of the non-teaching staff shall be dash. 25, 20, 18, 19. Right answer is 18. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ഉപകാരപ്രദമായ മറ്റുള്ളവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു.